宏觀經濟主持雷志海、Kenny、Eddie。
講 tech 啊，
可以
tech
好啊，咁啊，
好啦，第四節翻嚟，我哋轉下話題啦，係嘛？
亦都轉人啦，頭三節 Eddie 都冇乜點出聲，
係白白喺度做緊功課啊！
係啊，咁啊第四節，
咁我諗好多人咧 expect 想即係知道係究竟個 tech 股點解上個禮拜五係即係跌得咁勁？
係咯，其實呢幾日嚟講，我覺得明顯地係
弱咗啦
Nasdaq 係有少少即係私人獨潮水嘅感覺喎。
其實可唔可以條片準備好未啊？準備好嘅話可以播。咁啊，基本上上個禮拜五啦，高敏 Sachs 咧就即係出咗個 report 就話，其實佢就唔係話 short FAAMG 嘅，大家又不厭其煩講一次啦，即係 F 就 Facebook 啦，A 就 Apple 啦，跟住就呢個 Amazon 啦，跟住就 Netflix 啦，跟住同埋呢個 Google 啦，但係呢家叫 Alphabet 啦，咁啊，所以即係基本上係睇。唔係 ，sorry， 個 M 係 Microsoft， 唔係 Netflix。
哦 M 啊，唔係
M，double M。
哦 double M 啊，而家係唔係 Fang 咩？唔係一個。
唔係。
啊，哦，
改咗少少啊，咁
係咪撕去片啊
？OK 啊 ，OK。
What exactly happened?
Well, as you mentioned, tech really has been on a tear this year. Depending on how you look at it, tech stocks in the S&P 500 or if you look at the NASDAQ 100, either way up more than 20% coming into today. And if you overlay on that this notion of how popular factor investing has become among the quants on Wall Street. In other words, investors look for stocks with certain attributes, whether it be high sales growth, good valuations, momentum, that sort of thing. And tech this year has really been ticking off a lot of factor boxes. Obviously, growth. Many tech stocks are still considered growth stocks. Momentum, stocks that have a lot of momentum behind them. And even low volatility. Tech stocks have become very low, not very volatile compared to how they were in the past. And this morning, Goldman Sachs had a note out basically discussing all these issues and saying, look, there's risks here. They used a word that people hate to hear in investing, and that's crowded trade. They're saying a lot of funds are overweight these stocks, and tech has, because of these gains, has become just a massive part of the stock market. Almost a quarter of the S&P 500 is tech now. So for a mutual fund manager to be overweight tech means, you hold even more than that in your fund. So there's risks there. And one of the ones that Goldman Sachs pointed out is that, look, tech is not, it's sort of odd that tech is now considered a low volatility sector. Obviously, Amazon is an incredibly volatile stock. And they said that there's risks here of this overcrowded trade. And that's a word people just do not want to hear on Wall Street. You do not want to be in a crowded trade because when it unwinds, it tends to be sort of fast and furious like we saw today.
咁我基本上頭先都講得好好，即係成個星期五咧就高敏就出咗個 report， 咁佢唔係話 short 個 FAAMG 嘅，但係佢攞翻啲數據，大家都最驚即係話 tech 即係2000年就有個 tech bubble 啦，佢就用好多唔同一個客觀嘅即係 parameters 去比較翻依家嗰五強。同埋嗰時 IT bubble 2000年嘅五強咧，喺 valuation 啊，喺 profitability 啊等等性嘅唔同嘅比較，覺得呢家咁嘅狀況似唔似會發生 IT bubble？ 咁即係大家都好擔心，因為頭先嗰個男人 Bloomberg 嗰個 news 都講話，即係都話最怕就聽到 cloud trade。咁大背景點解無端端即係 tech 股升得咁勁咧？即係當然，我覺得好大程度上都係因為我哋第一節講嘅，即係進行咗咁耐嘅量化寬鬆啦，即係有好多游資啊等等性係進入咗去即係 tech 股啊或者點樣成，而個資金嘅成本係咁低，個 interest rate 又咁低，咁大家都會追逐一啲比較 high growth 嘅嘢，或者一個即係比較穩定啲嘅回報。喂，你睇翻啲 FAAMG， 即係一陣我攞啲圖出嚟係好穩定回報啊，即係啲 cash cow， 即係個 cash flow 又好 strong 啊。我唔敢話 cash cow， 但係佢個 cash flow
嗰個 cash flow 嘅 generation
係好勁嘅，即係好強。而佢哋譬如 Apple 啦 ，Apple 又不斷咁回購啊，又派息啊等等成，基本上係你講真啦，連阿 John 其中一個。我唔記得話最尊重，但係一個尊敬嘅人啦，即係巴菲特都買即係 Apple 啦，咁即係見到係咁樣嘅情況。但係如果你話睇翻 FAAMG 裏邊，即係 唔係隻都即係炒到個 PE 係即係天價嘅，即係 Apple 都係十幾 PE 到啦。即係你話去到一個正常嚟講啦，即係我哋覺得 PE 起碼你去30幾，跟住先可能有機會一個即係冧檔嘅個機會。但係你10幾係咪真係好高咧？Microsoft 其實都係10零20咁樣，即係又唔係話好誇張。咁當然即係呢家都會講話唔係淨係睇個 PE， 你都係有個 parameter， 你要睇埋個 growth 個 part。即係如果 PEG ratio 係1以下咁就即係叫做正常啲啦，比較 healthy 啲啦。1樓上咧，越偏離1以上嘅話咧，就可能個升得快咗啲咯。
即係如果20倍 PE，佢每年有翻20% growth， 咁就 OK 啦。咁依家 Apple 有冇即係有做唔做到20% growth 能唔能夠維持？
即係當然慢咗啦，成個即係如果出翻即係 iPhone 7S 啊咁樣係慢咗啦，但係即係今次即係大家個預期對 iPhone 8啊等等成覺得會有個換機潮喺度。但係講翻即係成個高敏啦，即係高敏出呢個 report 咧係相當好嘅，而高敏對比起其他嘅 iBanks 咧，高敏其實咧即係佢裏邊有 engineers 嘅數目或者即係比較熟悉 tech嘅 engineers 咧係多過其他 banks，即係佢哋係呢一方面，即係如果佢 on behalf of 去講批或者批判啊或者評論 tech 股咧，我覺得係 credibility 係比較高啲。佢哋真係比起即係其他 banks 係喺 tech 啊或者點樣成咧係做得好好多。而呢一份即係高敏嘅 report， 即係我冇辦法 send 出嚟咧，因為個 IP 嘅 issue。咁但係你對比起即係前幾個禮拜我哋香港攞到嗰啲咧 short sell report， 哇爭幾皮啦，真係個水平高好多。嗱，佢冇結論話一定要呢家 short FAAMG 目標價係幾多，但係佢都冇結論嘅，佢冇話呢家就係 IT bubble 啦，咁你要沽。但係你言論之間咧，即係佢啲字眼咧，阿 KO 都睇過，其實佢就暗示覺得都係有啲風險，而佢個風險就覺得點解突然 FAAMG 呢，即係尤其是啲YTD year to date 係升咗好多，而個 volatility 即係嗰個波幅低到點咧？係仲低過 consumer staples 同埋 utilities 嘅股票係好誇張。本嚟
應該係最低嗰啲咧，佢都仲低過嗰啲。
正常即係 tech 股，你覺得喂 high growth 應該都係即係 high volatility 啦
，high risk 咁呢啲係。
唔係喎，壓咁升。咁不如我哋睇一睇啲圖先。嗱，第一幅圖咧就係講翻即係成個唔係呢個有應該有啲 exhibit 1啊，有啲字眼有藍呢色嘅。咁啊，即係第一幅圖咧就講翻即係呢5隻 Apple 啊、Google 啊、Amazon 啊、Facebook 啊、Microsoft 咧，佔成個係啦呢幅圖佔成個 SPX 啦，即係 SPX 就係一個 S&P 500啦。其實加埋咧Top 5咧佔差唔多13%。而呢 YTD 咧個股價嘅表現咧，佢係佔成個 SPX 咧S&P 500嘅37% 嘅 growth， 即係嗰個升幅指數嘅升幅，個指數升幅有37% 係呢5隻撐起上嚟。嗱，如果大家即係追蹤得我哋緊嘅話咧，成日阿 John 咧都會攞個秘密武器咧，就係咧即係一啲權重股同埋即係成個 S&P 500嗰個咧，即係嗰個升幅個偏 equal weight 嗰個分別嘅喺度。我唔知近排佢有冇睇啦。咁但係即係呢幅圖咧就攞翻出嚟就話，其實呢5強咧就係帶動咗成個S&P 500嘅接近40%嘅升幅，都係因為呢5隻股票嘅帶動。好啦，下一個唔係下一個指數去翻另一上版先。下一個指數就係 Nasdaq 啦 ，Nasdaq 就係即係有差唔多42% 嘅 market cap 啦，percentage 啦，都係呢5成。都係呢5隻，而成個呢個 Nasdaq 嘅今年嘅升幅咧，有50%嘅半個貢獻咧，都係由呢5隻股票，咁所以係相當誇張。好啦，下一幅圖咧，佢就好 quantitative 咁咧，冇所謂，我哋講咗呢幅圖先。咁咧呢幅圖咧就啱啱好咧，就比較翻上邊咧，即係如果大家有啲股齡嘅話咧，上次 IT bubble 咧嗰5強咧就係 Microsoft、Cisco，阿 John 嘅其中嘅愛股 Intel 啦、Oracle 啦、Lucent 已經唔喺度噶啦。咁啊，基本上係呢5隻咧，當時咧成個 tech bubble 嘅話咧，佔成個 SPX 咧，即係 S&P 500咧係佔大約16%。嗱，呢家我哋逐個 parameter 去比較，究竟嗰時 tech bubble 係危險啲啊，定係呢家我哋 2017年係誇張啲。好比較翻 FAAMG 即係 Apple 啊、Alphabet 啊、Microsoft、Amazon、Facebook 嘅話咧，係佔成個呢個 S&P 500嘅13%。咁所以嗰時 IT bubble 咧係誇張啲嘅，嗰5強係佔得個比重比較大啲。好啦 PE 嗰時咧，因為即係 IT 股係冇乜盈利嘅即係板斧啊，咁所以嗰時咧個 PE 咧係炒到58倍嘅。咁如果呢家 FAAMG 咧，當然我成日都話 Amazon 係最誇張嘅，因為佢一做啲咩hardware 投資啊，跟住佢都即刻 straight line 咁樣 deplete 晒嘅。咁所以佢個 PE 咧就比較高啲89倍，但係 average 拉翻上嚟咧22倍，即係呢家就係呢家贏嘅，即係呢家就冇咁危險嘅，即係嗰時 IT bubble 咧58倍 PE 咧就比較危險啲。
佢依家呢個 PE 佢都唔係話 historical， 佢係講緊 forward 嘅。
係啊，咁所以你話即係咪真係22倍 OK 可能貴咗啲啦，但係如果你比起一隻即係 high growth 嘅股票，我覺得22倍嚟講都唔係話一個好誇張咁樣做。
同埋佢呢個好似係 FY2 喎，即係唔係出年添喎。
可能係18年。
係咯。佢係呢個應該18年嗰個，即係唔係今年嘅 expected 個 earnings 係 based on 出年嘅 expected earning 去計呢個係。
係啊，咁所以即係唔係睇翻今年或者 historical。咁 OK cash balances 即係同埋睇翻個 cash to enterprise value 啦。咁嗰時咧其實就比較差啲嘅。嗰時IT bubble 咧就係做到大約即係如果就咁計個 cash to enterprise level 啦，即係如果個ratio 係高啲嘅話就健康啲啦，咁啊即係嗰時係2% 啫，咁但係呢家係會 generate 得到大約13%。
即係明顯地而家嗰個 cash generation 個能力係比即係2000年嗰陣，
尤其是 Microsoft 好多 cash on hand 27%。
依家係好健康啦，跟住仲有個比例就係個cash flow 啦，即係 free cash flow， 即係我哋計翻即係撇除咗你要使嘅 capex 之後，剩翻落嚟俾公司嘅 cash 啦，同埋個個 free cash flow 嘅 yield 啦，都係依家個情況2017年係比較好啲。但係如果佢計翻個 profitability 咧，佢個計個方法咧就係個 gross profit over 翻個 total asset。咁嗰時係好少少嘅，咁有少少原因嘅。嗰時可能係即係着重個係啦 asset base 比較重要啲，同埋 Amazon 依家係做嗰啲個 depreciation 係一夜就即刻 deplete 咗佢，咁所以個 asset 咧又會係細啲，咁所以咧呢個 parameter 嚟計嘅話咧，當時個 profitability 咧叫做咧就話好啲嘅，咁所以成個咧，如果你睇翻頭先嗰6、7、8個嘅 parameters 嚟講嘅話咧，依家係安全過嗰時 IT bubble 嘅，即係如果咁比較翻呢啲parameters，咁去下一幅圖。咁所以下一幅圖啦，呢幅圖就係基本上就係講話個成個 trade 係有幾 clouded。呢幅圖其實 plot 翻即係成個話其實成個科網股其實即係呢家都係靠嗰個 momentum 嘅 driven。
但係呢個圖係睇緊 momentum， 點睇到佢係 crowded 咧？
佢想講翻即係嗰個 volatility， 即係比較翻喺個3年嗰個 standard deviation 有幾相差到幾遠。
哦，咁但係，所以我就話呢張圖其實佢主要係反映一個 momentum， 但係佢從呢一個去
即係佢呢家升，佢呢家升咗嗰個升嗰個速度係快過佢個 volatility 嘅多咗好多倍，即係比較佢個 standard deviation 係3，即係呢家去到2個 standard deviation 多咗出嚟。
佢有少少意思，可能就係上一次15年咁啊，去到即係去到3個 standard deviation 就即刻出現調整啦。佢15年年尾嘅時候，
同埋即係成個都係即係由即係基本上係年頭開始咁到升到呢家咧，其實都升得好快。咁所以比較上嚟講嘅話咧，基本上係似乎啲 parameters 咧就係呢家係比較靚仔啲嘅，即係好過之前 IT bubble 係健康啲。咁都係即係呢家話，呢家唔同往時論咧，就係咧成日都捉住呢啲點去講翻。咁但係唔使播幅圖啦。咁但係嗰個高敏嗰個擔心之處咧，就係覺得話佢呢家嘅 volatility 係絕對係低過啲 consumer staples 同埋一啲 utility 嘅股票。萬一有啲咩 turn， 即係佢話個市場係覺得因為慣性慣咗個波幅係咁細，其實你 underestimate 咗佢嗰個可能好多政策上風險喎，可能 Google 做到咁大啲 project， 可能係會有 anti-trust law 政府去搞佢嘅喎，可能係有其他 regulations 啊等等性去 令到佢個 business 未必可以繼續咁 growth 咁快喎。佢就擔心呢個咁低嘅 vol 嘅話咧，係會 underestimate 到 risk。同埋，萬一如果係有人要走嘅時候咧，可能真係會發生人踩人嘅事件，未必係可以令你可以走得咁快。咁所以呢個上個禮拜五就係出咗呢個 report 咧，就令到成個 IT 股即係尤其是 FAAMG 嘅話咧，就係跌得比較勁啲咯。
OK，係咪時間差唔多啦？
咁啊，下次翻嚟
我哋就補充少少。